All right, the C&L Catback that we have on the table today, great option for the 2015 through 2017 GT owners out there looking for a full stainless steel build along with a very stealthy appearance, but at a very budget-friendly price point. Now, interested S550 owners can look forward to a mix of 304 and 409 grade stainless throughout, including your straight-through perforated tube mufflers, included X-pipe, and of course your large 4-inch black tips, all for the mid to high $500 price point. Now, install according to the site, guys, solid 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, 100% bolt-on job, but again, since all of your work is done underneath the car, leave yourself a couple of hours or so from start to finish. But since this is an exhaust video after all, let's just jump headfirst into the sound you can expect with the C&L in place. And I feel this system, when installed, is aggressive, but at the same time, it's not overly obnoxious or overly raspy. And that's two big things that I enjoy most about the C&L system. Listen guys, at the end of the day, if you need or want the loudest car at your next rev off or car show, there's certainly gonna be louder systems in the category. But if you're looking to make a lot of rumble here, a nice healthy bark, but without driving your wife or your neighbors crazy, well then the C&L might be a great option for you. So what's this all mean on my wake the neighbor scale? Well, break it out guys. I got the C&L coming in hot at a strong 3 out of 5 on my 1 to 5 or 1 to wake the neighbor scale. And keep in mind, this is still with those factory manifolds and cats in place. Now inside the car, on the other hand, things do remain relatively quiet. Only a little bit of noise is detectable at cruising speeds, but certainly not something that I would write home about. But with the sound pretty much covered, what do you say we move into quality, construction, build, all that good stuff? And guys, again, C&L that you're looking at today, one of your most affordable options currently in the category when we're talking about a full stainless steel catback for a 2015 through a 2017 GT. Now, you can expect the majority of the system to feature that 409 grade stainless, which I like to say is your mid-level material behind the 304 grade on the top side as your premium material. But then you got the aluminized steel kind of rounding out the low end as more of an entry-level material. 409, solid material, again, it's going to offer great corrosion resistance over the long haul and should essentially last the life of your S550. Now, aside from that 409 grade stainless material, you are also looking at 3-inch mandrel bent tubing throughout here, guys. You also have a unique crossover X-pipe that is included. And then finally, your straight through perforated muffler design, perforated tube design, I should say. I like that a lot because it's still very free flowing. It's straight through, but because of that perforated muffler design, you are taking some of the bite or the rasp off of the traditionally raspy Coyote. Big fan of that. Finally, guys, as you can see, everything is going to exit out of your 4-inch black tips along with the black mufflers themselves. They have been giving a high temp coating, which should remain in place over the years. Now, if for whatever reason you preferred more of a traditional look, well, C&L does offer the same exact kit on the site with polished tips instead for the identical price point. So as always, feel free to check out the rest of your options before pulling the trigger. Last but not least, C&L does include your step downs needed to get this system hooked up to either your factory manifolds or a set of aftermarket long tube headers that utilize that factory style neck down connection, and of course, all of the clamps needed to get this system in place. Now, speaking of getting this system in place, again, 100% bolt-on job, guys. Very, very straightforward stuff. But since all of your work is done underneath the car, the site is gonna kick this up automatically to a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter and maybe a couple of hours to complete from start to finish. But as always, get a better idea of what's gonna happen in the driveway or garage. Feel free to check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown now.
The tools you'll need for this install is an impact gun, a 15mm socket, a ratchet, a long extension, a 13mm deep socket, a 13mm short socket, a rubber mallet, and some spray lubricant, and a pole jack if you're using a lift. Hi everyone, today we're going to install an exhaust on our 2015 Mustang GT Fastback, but before we can do that, we've got to uninstall the stock system. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is loosen the band clamps right in front of the resonator here using our 15mm socket. Now we need to remove the two 13mm bolts from behind the differential that's attached to the cross member using our 13mm socket. Okay, now we can unhook the hangers from the cross member. And if you've got a friend right now, especially if you're on a lift, it would be a good idea to get somebody to help you. Now we're going to unhook the hangers from the cross member. Now if you're using a lift like we are, it would be a good time to get a buddy to help you take this out. The first thing you have to do now is slide these front clamps that you loosened earlier to the rear so that you can drop these pipes down. Okay, now we need to loosen this front clamp using our 15mm socket, slide this pipe out, then we can repeat for the other side. Now we can go ahead and remove our rear hangers using our 13mm socket. And repeat for the other side. One thing to note is that you will need to reuse the original 2 front clamps on the new system, so we'll go ahead and slip those on right now. Okay, now we can go ahead and install our mid pipe. If you're using a lift, now would be a good time to use your pole jack for supporting the back end while you're working on the front, tightening the clamps. Now we can go ahead and tighten up the clamp on the passenger side using our 15mm socket, and then repeat for the other side. Now you can go ahead and slip one of your muffler clamps on your extension pipe and slip it into your mid pipe, making sure that the extension pipe angles towards the outside of the car. And repeat for the other side. Now we can install our last 2 clamps on our extension pipes. Okay, now that we're ready to install our muffler on the passenger side, we have to install our hanger for the rear, and then our other hanger that goes behind the differential. And one thing to note on this one is that the hanger that goes behind the differential is facing the opposite direction from the stock system. So we can slide our hanger on with our hook facing the differential so that we can support it when we install it. All right, so we'll go ahead and angle our muffler into the slot underneath the bumper, and then install it on the pipe, on the front pipe. Now that we've got it slipped onto the pipe, we can go ahead and hook our hanger behind the differential to support the muffler while we install the rear hanger. Now we can go ahead and start installing the bolts for the rear hanger. Okay, now that you've got the one started, we can go ahead and install the other one, and we're going to use our 13mm socket to tighten it down. Okay, now we can go ahead and install the bolt for the hanger behind the differential. And we can snug those down using our 13mm socket. Now we can go ahead and snug them up using our 13 millimeter socket. Now that we've got the passenger side installed, we can go ahead and repeat the steps for the driver side. Now that we've got our system installed, we can go ahead and tighten up all of our clamps using our 15 millimeter socket. Now we can go ahead and tighten up our hangers using our 13 millimeter socket. And repeat those for the other side. That wraps up our review and install of our C&L stainless steel catback exhaust with black tips for our 2015 to 2017 Mustang GT Fastback. Thanks for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here on AmericanMuscle.com.